Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we are making and having our pup test a couple of different dog treats. You can also find the recipe in the video description. I'm using the same recipe to make two different flavors of dog treats. One is banana and the other is pumpkin. When planning for this video, I thought it would be cool to have different shaped treats to make them more identifiable when you guys get to see which ones she's eating and which ones she seems to like more. And so we were going to do little bones for banana, both beginning with B, and little paw prints for the pumpkin, both beginning with P. But I quickly realized that it was going to take some time to cut out and get all those little shapes made and out of the little cookie cutters. So I just went to cutting them straight. So in Skatie's taste test, it looks like she prefers the banana over the pumpkin treats just a little bit. Let's do a little human taste test and see what we think. Let's start with the pumpkin treats. Quite chewy. Oh, should have brought some water out. The pumpkin treats are quite chewy. They are very bland. There's no salt added to any of this. So the flour and the oats is very obvious in the taste. Hang on, you'll get yours, you'll get yours. Now let's try the banana one. Very small bite. When you smell and taste the banana. So the banana treats are a little thinner. They aren't quite as chewy and dry, which is interesting because they're the ones I had to add more flour to because the dough was becoming so moist. But as a human, I prefer the banana treats. Now we run. Oh my goodness. The recipes are the same with the exception of one uses banana and the other uses pumpkin. When you make the full recipe, they say they make anywhere from 85 to 90 or so treats. So you get plenty of treats out of each batch. It's especially nice to know what's inside the treats that you're giving them. And homemade treats is a great way to go for that, regardless of what the ingredients are. Down in the comments, let us know what you think, including if there are any particular dog treat recipes that you like a lot. And thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.